guys, sorry, season greetings to everybody, first of all.
Season greetings, yeah.
Yesterday we literally, Christmas Day, ate ourselves. That was coming out of our ears. And so I thought, let's do something healthy today. So we agreed we would do a nice chicken fillet burger in a lettuce wrap. We would use the lettuce as leaves with tomato and tomato and onion, with a dash of the Baldock sauce just to give it that taste. Only to find out that you literally marinated it for 4 hours.
Yeah,
It's totally
it's healthy.
opposite. No, it's not.
It is healthy. Listen
It's
here.
healthy for you, not for me.
Listen here, eh? Listen here, guys. There's no salt on here. There's no spices. There's no nothing. It's a piece of chicken fillet with a sauce. That's it. Nothing else. Now, this thing will make you sweat.
The thing is,
If you jog, if you gym, you sweat.
but the thing
You lose weight. You burn kilojoules. It's good for you. If you're sweating, it goes with gymming and all that stuff. So it's good for your health.